Alright, shut the fuck up. Alright, what is up? This is our Ratchet Mobile, and we are going to test run it.
This is
with
Toby.
The bike. And this is our friend Gary who made it. So let's start.
This is Toby,
and
this is gonna be a dick ride.
Alright, Toby's retarded. Alright, we're going into first person.
Alright, so get the steering. Oh fuck, this hurts my asshole. Damn, the seat's so ratchet. I'm just gonna like.
No, that's Carmelo.
Yeah, I know. I tried it and it just goes right back.
Alright, technical
difficulties.
We're up and running.
Technical difficulties.
Yeah.
Top down, you top ram, I top down. Ah, my foot!
Alright, we're going. Got some turning, you know. Yeah, that's about all. It's a nice ride. Here you go.
And we are done.